One thing about being a celebrity is that you would do things in private and hope and pray that they remain in private. But then somehow, somewhere along your journey, these things will definitely pop up and the public will find out about it. Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And I hope you will stay. Mgosi Mzansi spotted Lasizwe's house being listed on Property 24 for 3.8 million yebo. 3.8 million. So Lasizwe, it is alleged that he is selling his house for 3.8 million, a house that is located in Bryanston, Mgosi. And when he purchased that house, we did not know anything about it. He kept it private. And I believe that even now, when he is selling it, he wanted it to be private. But being a celebrity, and of course, with the pictures that he shared there, and some of the pictures that he used to share while he was in that house, it was easier for people to identify or rather to notice that, man, this house belongs to Lasizwe. So he is selling this house, but because it is also alleged that he has let go some of his crew members for YouTube. It is alleged that it looks like he is facing financial issues, but of which we do not have full proof of. But for him to sell the house and for him to allegedly let go some of his crew members does state that Lasizwe is indeed facing a serious issues financially. And people are stating that when he made purchases to the house, he did not scream nor made noise about it. And they were thinking, go to even now, when he is selling this house, he planned it to be a secret, Nkosiyami, not knowing that people will basically find out about it. Let us see on what Tweep had to say. Life always has a plan indeed. Tomorrow, the same life could present him with an opportunity to acquire an even a better house, a Tweep said. He did super well for himself, man. This was honestly an achievement, affording the house at a younger age. Proud of him. Another one stated. Dude smart that he was able to buy a house on YouTube salary. Really smart. But YouTube isn't a stable income. That's why some people have scandalous on the net instead of winding down when there isn't much. Life always has a plan. Yo, yeah, ne? That's deep. I'm saying this as someone who's currently co-wishing. I respect Lasizwe, and life always has a plan indeed. Wishing him all the best with his plans. But someone go see when Lasizwe was approached and asked on what is happening, he simply stated that life always has a plan. That was his response. But someone go see he did not say much about it. He did not add much on it as well. We really hope that he is doing something bigger. And that's it for today. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.